Hey everyone, today I'm going to teach you how to create and customize tables in Evernote. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open the Evernote app and log in with your credentials. Once you're in, direct your attention to the left sidebar and click on Notes. This will display all your existing notes in the left panel. From here, click on the specific note where you want to create and customize your table. This could be a project planning note, a meeting agenda, or any document where organizing information in a table format would be helpful. Now, click inside the note at the exact spot where you want your table to appear. Here's a quick way to insert a table. Simply type /table and you'll see table appear in the suggested options. Click on it and Evernote will instantly create a basic table for you to work with. This gives you a clean starting point that you can expand and customize based on your needs. If you need to add more columns or rows to your table, it's really straightforward. Just right-click anywhere inside the table and you'll see several options appear. You can choose Insert Row above, Insert Row below, Insert Column to the left, or Insert Column to the right. This flexibility allows you to build your table structure exactly how you need it, whether you're adding more data points or expanding your layout. Now, let's talk about customizing the appearance of your table. If you want to change the color of certain rows to make them stand out or organize your information visually, start by highlighting all the rows you want to modify. Once they're selected, look for the small icon that appears right beside the row. Click on it and then select your preferred color from the cell background options. This feature is particularly useful for highlighting headers, important data, or creating visual sections within your table. To add text to your table, simply click inside any box and start typing. It's that easy. You can fill in your data, notes, or any information you need to organize. If you find that your columns are too narrow or too wide for the content you're adding, you can easily adjust them. Move your mouse to the borderline between two columns, and when your cursor changes to a left-right resize arrow, click and drag left or right to adjust the width. This ensures your table looks neat and all your information is clearly visible. Below each row, you can add more information by clicking inside the space and typing. This gives you additional room to include notes, context, or supplementary details that support the main data in your table. In the top toolbar, you'll also find options to add bullet lists, numbered lists, and checklists by clicking on them. These formatting tools help you organize information within each cell even further, making your tables more functional and comprehensive. And that's it. You've now created and customized a table in Evernote that perfectly suits your organizational needs. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.